welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a simple tutorial with you on these ephemera folders. So aren't they so cute? This one I forgot to stitch around, but these are using popcorn bags. I have a huge amount of these popcorn bags, this size, that I got for $2 at an estate sale a long time ago, and they've just been in my stash forever. So these, everyone's making these ephemera holders, happy mail ephemera holders, whatever you want to use them for. Everyone's making them, and the best one that I've seen, as far as being simple, is one made out of envelopes. It was just so simple. When I first learned how to make these, they were, difficult and time consuming. But this is a takeoff on the envelope one, and I can't remember who it was that I seen it from. But I thought of these, and I'm like, this is definitely the way to go. So with this, you can see there's 3 huge pockets with these, but there's also another one which is in each one. So there's really 6, but I would just use something flat or something you want to keep hidden, I don't know, safe in there, or seal that one shut. I haven't decided yet, because it seems like these 3 are just enough. So let me show you how to make it. It is made from 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. So what you do is you take one of these and you just seal the flap. And then you fold it over. And you're going to seal that up on the 2 sides. We're going to come back in later and seal that up all the way. And then you're just going to trim off, because you want to open that up. So you're just going to trim it. I trimmed it past the red and white so we don't see that. And I used 3 envelopes. I've already got 2 done. And where the writing is, we're going to seal that shut. And if you had done that before, then it would have just opened it up. And then this usually needs to be sealed down. So there you have your 3 envelopes, pockets ready to go. So you're going to get your cutting machine scorer out. Get your 12 by 12 sheet. And we're going to turn it this way. And this is where you want to cut it. So it's basically cutting it in half. Okay, so you want to figure out which side you want to be your top flap. And I'm going to have that as my flap. You're going to bring this down. You need to turn this to me a little bit. Bring that all the way down to the bottom. Score that, and then score it to the right of that 1/8 of an inch, so you give yourself a gusset. And then you're going to do it again. And again, 1/8 of an inch to give yourself a gusset. Let's get this out of the way. So fold it all of your crease marks. There's that. Double check that the height of that is right, and it is off. Needs to be trimmed just a little bit. Okay, great. Never have problems except for when the camera's turned on. I swear that's true. Alright, hopefully these are all straight. Alright, perfect. So, let's round our edges. And then you want to distress it. And actually, with this paper, a pretty pink color would have been nice. And you want to stitch it. I'm not going to make you sit through that. I don't know how to pause it. I just want to show you this real quick. I got that a little too high. Okay. Now I'm going to put these. These have a ugly side. I hope you guys can see me. I face that towards the back. So you're gonna, I'm using just double-sided tape, and this is just 1/4 of an inch thick. And then you just want to eye get it together at the bottom and the sides. And there you go. And do that for all 3 of them. Okay. So there's that. And double-sided tape inside your little wallet thingy. Only peel off the one side. Put this in. And there you go. And it does look so much better when it's stitched. But if you don't have a sewing machine, it doesn't matter. You can also do faux stitching around it. So there's that. And then I just use Velcro. So that's cute. I used Velcro and I had big squares and I just cut them up in fours. You can use little magnets. You can decorate it really nice and you know, wrap it. Looks like that might need a little bit of glue. And then there you go. It's quick and easy. You have 6 pockets if you choose to use those, like I said. And these are really deep, hold a lot. Using an envelope, I would use 3 envelopes just so they're not all bulkied up. You know, you can see these are nice for mailing. You're going to put ephemera in there, mail it to your pen pals or swaps or just an RAK, a rack. And there you go. With envelopes, it's just as easy, just as quick. And it gives you all that room. I have these from long ago where you made them with paper and you glued it like an inch in from the side. And oh my goodness, so much work on those. And they're not as deep as these. And like I said, not everyone has these popcorn bags, but if you do, that's a terrific way to use them. And like I said, you can do it with envelopes. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.